Yo, what's up? This is Omari Harabin back with another quick video for you. I want to talk about how you can make money on YouTube without having hundreds of thousands of subscribers, or without getting millions of views. How to start making money on YouTube immediately, with just a handful of subscribers. I don't have a lot of subscribers right now. And this isn't something that I knew immediately, but I kind of stumbled into it. I kind of stumbled into the realization that, oh wow, I'm making money on YouTube without the things I just mentioned. And so I wanted to share that with you. And as it dawned on me, I realized that it was actually really obvious once I thought about it. I'm like, well, the easiest and quickest way to make money on YouTube is to make videos that sell stuff, because you can guarantee that as long as those videos actually do a good job at selling whatever it is you're trying to sell, and people are looking, I guess they would have to be looking for those videos. So then I guess the question is, well, how do you make videos that people are looking for, where they'd also be willing to buy something? And the way that I found to do that is by leveraging affiliate marketing, or referral based marketing, where you get paid a commission if someone purchases something off of your recommendation by clicking on your link. So it's really that simple. And there's a couple of kind of boilerplate ways to do that. Review videos are a way to do that, but for me, it mostly comes out of as a byproduct of trying to solve a problem, and then just documenting using video how I've been able to solve it. And if it requires using a tool of some sort, or signing up for a website platform or whatever it is, if I have an affiliate link in there, then I make some money. So there are videos that I have that have literally just a few hundred views, that have made thousands of dollars. And so that potential is there. So just wanted to make that aware, make you aware of that if you weren't already. So if you think that you have to keep on grinding and grinding and grinding until you get to some far out there milestone before you can start being profitable on this platform, you can be profitable today if the content that you create is content that people are looking for, and that content requires buying some. All right, peace.